Today we show how to buy shares of Eutelsat Communications. Eutelsat is a satellite communications company listed on Euronext under the ticker ETL.PA. This video is strictly educational and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to be able to buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker ETL.PA. Then select the Eutelsat Communications listing on Euronext to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Verify the listing shows Eutelsat Communications and ticker ETL.PA to confirm it is the right asset. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order will be queued and executed when trading resumes, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. A link to the platform is in the description below if you want to visit the example used in this video.